Life hacks with Youth Jihad.
Yeah, you ready? All right. So here is our DIY interior house compost. Been doing it for months. You know what? It smells beautiful. It doesn't stink. Sure, there's these weird little flies flying around, but you know.
They were there anyway, eh?
I mean, it's fruit fly season, but look at this. All sorts of waste, vegetable waste, coffee grounds. You did put some soil, brown paper, egg shells.
Do you have worms in there?
There's no worms.
Yeah,
fucking
larva.
worms, man. It's just doing itself. And it's progressing quite well.
That does look pretty good.
So we found worms in the compost. Maybe it was magic. Maybe we just manifested them,
They
summoned
come
them.
from dirt.
And yeah, it's lovely, nutritious smell. Sometimes, when I get really zonked, I just, want to pass out and just bury my face in there. It's very nurturing,
For when you want to hide your head in the sand, but you're not at a beach.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is how you make worms?
So, anyone can do this. Well,
This
apparently...
is to mimic dry leaves. It's the same thing because paper comes from trees, so it's the same chemical. Whatever.
I was concerned that once it got hotter, it would, say, be smelling really badly or causing a problem. It's perfect. There's no problem. Anyone could do this. You'll get more fucking fucked than you've ever fucking been fucked before.
You were saying that the first poster was made from a pizza box?
It was a pizza box and a cat food bag. And words. The background, I think, was a pizza box. Look at that. It's underway.
It was made
There was a
with that
cat.
on
There was
purpose?
cats. Yeah, there was cats from a fucking... From one of my cat's food bags. We cut it out, put it together, and we were smoking dope, and we said, you'll get more fucking fucked than you've ever fucking been fucked before. That was our promise.
One way or another, Knife Hammer will fuck you.
And that way, you can nurture your home garden.
And you don't need to spend your money on worms.
Exactly,
Are we
I
consistent?
save my worms for my carp fishing.
I think things are getting really inconsistent, guys.
This is continuity.
If I was going to get worms, I'd want it to come with some dumpster dope food, at least.
Yeah. No, absolutely, that makes sense, We're not eating duck. I didn't want to do it.
Since when do we smoke pot?
Or you could take one of those pills, like, those things that are... I know.
We stopped smoking pot. We're all fucking standing around smoking weed.
Designed to give worms to ex-boyfriends or girlfriends, Because if you take them recreationally, it can be quite a rush, actually, No, absolutely, that makes sense, Or you could take one of those pills...
Something's fucked up.
Yeah. Bizarre dimension.
Well, that doesn't really change anything, though.
Look at that. Compost in your kitchen.
But they are maggots.
Sure, you'll get more fucking fucked than you've ever fucking been fucked before.
And you don't need to spend your money on worms.
Exactly, I save my worms for my carp fishing.